Hello kids! Let's learn some words starting with letter O which sounds uh. Repeat with me. Orange. Ouch. Office. On. Off. Outside. Orange. Out. Office. On. Off. Outside. Oven. Ocean. Orangutan. Oxygen. Octopus. Ostrich. Oven. Ocean. Orangutan. Oxygen. Octopus. Ostrich. Oyster. Owl. Olive. Onion. Omelette. Ox. Oyster. Owl. Olives. Onion. Omelette. Ox. Let's revise. Oyster. Orange. Out. Office. On. Off. Outside. Octopus. Ostrich. Oven. Ocean. Orangutan. Oxygen. Olives. Onion. Owl. Omelette. Ox.